Gavin po. Hello, si Lord.
Please.
Yes,
Okay, bye-bye now. Where's teacher?
mommy's here. Office.
What? Come here.
This.
Practice?
Happy birthday, Happy Finger! Ow! Ow! Ah!
Sky! Kiss mo muna. Kali ka na. Dali. Corned beef. Bed na lang. Tapos cafe latte. Cafe latte. Hot. Pati bangs. Grade 1 po. Ay, ayun. Akala ko
Gavin po. Hello, si Lord.
Please.
Yes,
Okay, bye-bye now. Where's teacher?
mommy's here. Office.
Did you enjoy school today?
Yes.
You wanna go to Fairview Terraces?
Yes.
To the... Kung alam na magdadit ka. Bukas mga to. You go to Lola na, Sky. Come here. You eat this. You eat your baon. You did not eat your baon, ha? Ay, hindi. Ayan, touchscreen yan. Ayun o, yung sa ilalim. Yung sa electric fan mismo. Pwede dun.
Woohoo!
Is in the classroom, okay? Skylar. So, pwede mo siya ilagay sa paa, pwede dito, or dito sa ilalim. Ako siya favorite gamitin. Ay, just woke up on an afternoon nap. We'll go to Teacher Eva.
Look, close, Teacher Ava!
Sky! Sky! Hello? Sky! Hi!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many stars do you have? Can you show? Can you show to me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job! Kiss. Kiss. Kiss them. Did you participate?
Naman. Sabi ko na. Pag konti lang daw yung iyak maya na ako.
Sky, let's go home.
May lalabas. May
Ayan
papasok.
mo, antay sila. We're home! You have to eat, ah. Eat and sleep. You want this? You want massage?
Yes.
Sige. Don't spit the chicken. Eat the chicken. Good job. High five. Very good. Kailangan may extension, kuya. Nagpakabit tayo electric fan. Nakabit ko na tong electric fan. Ikakabit na lang talaga siya. Thank you po.
Ay, may sasaulin ko pa libro sa iyo.
Oo nga, hindi pa naman, wala pa naman silang ano, email.